I have really moved by the presence of all the just 24 hours back only we decided to meet the Mahila and I was in a long-term plan. I wanted to have a Praja Darbar, and because of the situation here, and I decided to conduct a Mahila Darbar Festival to hear the unheard voice. I repeatedly say that I want to be a catalyst. I want a bridge between the government and the people. I am very clear in that. There is no any politics in this, and I cannot accept that Raj Bhavans should be shut and it should not be approachable to the public. Each and every office, constitutional or elected, or each and every office only for the purpose of people. I am very sure on that. I am very confident on that view that anybody can approach the people. People can approach anybody. And some of the critics say how the Raj Bhavan can conduct this. As I said, each and every office, public office is for the people, whether it is a office of the Panchayat president or Panchayat member or the constitutional office of the governor. And when I have the capacity of meeting the people and when I can communicate the people and when I am approachable, I can get the message from the people and I can convey to the government. I appeal the government, please respect this office. That is my respect. It is not my personal appeal. But we are facing so much of challenges, even though why I wanted to be much concerned to the women. A women in the highest office also not getting the response or respect. So I can imagine what is the fate of the downtrodden people. So I wanted to hear the unheard voice, and I have already positively conveyed to the message to the government. Please, whatever may be the message we are conveying to you through the people or the problem of the people which is conveyed to you through Raj Bhavan, kindly respond and respect the issues. That is my...
Madam, you saw the report on Gandhi, whether the government submitted the report or not?
You all know 2 days I gave a time limit.
Yes.
Probably their clock is so slow.
Oh, not it very slow. So, whatever...
Again I am going to remind.
Yeah,
But it's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. And the whatever maybe this is the I have seen today so much of worry and so many requests by the people. Some people are elderly, 90 years old, nobody to support, and responding to our request, he has come here, and it is our duty to help them. So it is only we are with the Mahila of Telangana, and I am repeatedly saying, some people are questioning, as I said in my speech, some people are saying Raj Bhavan is crossing the limit. Raj Bhavan can do this. Raj Bhavan can do this. And I am repeatedly saying everyone is for the people.
Ma'am, you believe that
when will we conduct
Madam,
next
there you also you saw some reports
in
Kammam incident or Kamaretti incident, some PG medical scam issue. Whether you received any...
No, that's what I am telling. Please respect this highest constitutional office.
ma'am, you believe that some
answer చెప్పనేనా
Yeah, tell me.
Ah.
Tell me.
did you receive
No, this what all the reports I have received, I would have conveyed to the concerned authorities. But this 2 days I gave time limit. I have not received.
Madam, next when will be next Praja Darbar?
I have to decide.
Ma'am,
Madam.
actually this is the Praja Darbar and this is the Mahila Darbar, right? So is this next week the Mahila Darbar is going to be, or you are going to conduct only Praja Darbar next?
No, no, because the response from the women,
Yes.
and women will be more comfortable to come separately. So my view, because of that only I conducted Mahila Darbar. So Praja Darbar will be there, so that general public, but Mahila Darbar I will continue. At least once a month.
Some opposition leaders demanded for governor's rule in the state. What is your view now?
No, I always respect the democratically ruled, democratically elected government. And democratically elected government should respond to the request of the constitution also. And I don't know, whatever may be the, the powers of the constitutional authority and the governor. And I am not personally asking anything for myself. They are not responding. They are not receiving me wherever I go. I am not. The protocol is totally not followed. But there is an SOP to be followed everywhere. That's not be followed. But that is not halting my whatever. Maybe that's not stopping my activities. But when the people are affected, they should respond. That is my.
మేడం మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారా తెలంగాణలో ఇన్ని సమస్యలు ఉన్నాయని, అంటే పర్టికులర్ గా ఉమెన్ బేస్డ్ ఇన్ని యాక్టివిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇన్ని సమస్యలు ఇక్కడ పెండింగ్ లో ఉన్నాయని మీరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశారు? అంటే మీరు పెట్టబోయే కార్యక్రమానికి ఇంత స్పందన వస్తుందని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశారు?
Did you expect that this much response? There are 500 plus women came to you with the problems and all. So are you expected before, whenever you wanted to conduct this program, are you expected like how these many members will come with their problems?
Yeah, that's what I also understood. But no, I expected, because even now our bells are ringing. Even now it's more in number.
So ma'am, actually 500 plus applications received. So what will be your next step? What your
No, first of all, I wanted to tell you how clearly we have categorized the request. Okay, it is not that first time we asked them to come 1 hour earlier, and we had our women officers, and each one of them clearly interacted with them, and we had a form so that it is entered, and clearly we will inform the government, and we will send each and every request to the concerned department. So only I told I play as a catalyst, and I play as a bridge between the government and the public. And I am very clear that I expect because I expected that only I wanted to conduct this Mahila Darbar.
Are you thinking the government has been unfair to solving the women's problem, and that's why you're conducting
No, I
this
don't
kind of-
want to comment on anything like that because it will be politicized. And my concern is about the womenhood, sisters, daughters of Telangana and the recent incidences.
As we
And because of that only, I thought that should be a public forum to be approached with easy approach to
Ma'am,
the
this-
public. And because of that only I conducted, and I appeal to each and everyone, it is not a political approach, it is not politicized, and this constitutional office, I am practicing only what should be practiced by constitution.
Ma'am, this is the parallel government. Rajbhat is the parallel government.
Ma'am, lots of trolls and memes also. What's your honor?
Ma'am,
Just an office man.
మేడం
Ma'am, please answer.
మేడం మేడం
Just I laugh at it, that's all.
Ma'am, you said that you will be a bridge between the government and the problems of the people.
I want.
You want it to be, but do you think so that the government will respond by this Mahila Darbar and solve the
No, that is what, that's my appeal is, they should respond. The government is for people, and this is the constitutional office. And
But the problem here is that people are using the bridge, but the government is not using the bridge.
government should be careful. No, government should respond, no. What is the, no, I'm asking only one simple question. I am not a controversial person. And I want to do some good thing to the people of Telangana. And I am a doctor and I can understand the problem of the public. And some people are asking whether you are you are elected by the people. But another concern, as a lady, I can understand. If some political person, if they may have some inhibitions approaching them, because I am a woman and I am the highest officer, they have much hope on the constitutional aid, they may approach. So it is when a person is willing to serve the people of Telangana, why it should be denied? That is my simple question.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మా టుడే టుమారో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ కోసం వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ బెల్ ని కూడా రింగ్ చేసేయండి. మా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్ని మీ మొబైల్లో వస్తాయి. అలాగే మా వీడియోస్ మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, నచ్చకపోతే కామెంట్ చేయండి.